Hello guys and welcome back to our channel. Today I will show you how to enable iMessage on iPhone, activating iMessage guide for 2025. So first of all, open your iPhone and click on the settings icon at the top of your iPhone. Now, you're going to see another page that is settings page. Here, you're going to simply click on the messages option from these options. So just scroll down and click on messages under settings and it is going to take you to another page where you will see the iMessage button appearing just right here. Simply toggle this switch on. So in order to use iMessage, everyone in a conversation has to have iMessage enabled. If someone you're messaging does not have an Apple device or does not have iMessage enabled, your conversation with them will be SMS text messages, but your text bubbles will appear green instead of blue. Once you have iMessage set up, you will get to enjoy all benefits of iMessage, including end-to-end encryption and being able to send messages anywhere in the world with just Wi-Fi. And that's all it takes to enable iMessage. Also, if you tap the send and receive feature, you can select which phone number or email address you want to be able to send and receive iMessages with. So that's a simple way through which you can enable iMessages on iPhone. If you found this guide helpful, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up and thanks for watching.